GreenTech Environmental's PureAir active air purifiers replicate processes found in the outdoors to clean and purify the indoors. Our air purifiers provide continuous purification 24/7 in a more cost-effective way than using cleaning supplies and chemicals. Like the sun, active radiant catalysis, or ARC, our proprietary form of photocatalytic oxidation uses ultraviolet energy to activate a catalyst that converts ambient humidity into oxidizing hydroxyls. Simply put, it turns moisture in the air into a form of hydrogen peroxide, reducing pollutants and continuously cleaning your environment. Lightning's powerful electrical discharge adds an extra molecule to oxygen, creating activated oxygen. PureAir technology brings this active purifier, which is found in all outdoor environments, to the indoors. Magnets either pull together or push apart, depending on how their charges are aligned. Ionization works the same way. Using electrical charges to interact with particulates, like the dust you can see floating in a sunbeam, ions draw particles together until they're too heavy to remain in your breathing space, and they fall to the floor. Just like when you stand next to a waterfall, PureAir technologies work in concert to continuously provide a fresh, clean environment that you can feel. GreenTech's products combine more purifying processes than anyone else on the market, are customizable to meet your purification needs, and work together to improve indoor air quality, creating a healthier indoor environment so you can enjoy an air of confidence.